Well, we are at Pigeon Creek County Park sleigh riding cross-country skiing facility, and this first time Josh has had a chance to come down here. We're going to do a little bit of sleigh riding and see what goes on. Again, we're at December 31st, 2017. We had a lot of snow. It's about 7-8 degrees out here, so we got to move quickly to stay warm, right?
Sure.
Oh, sure. Okay. Way to go. Let's go. Here he comes. Whoa, zipping and flipping. There he goes. Here he comes. Oh no, Josh, we'll go back right there. There you go, buddy. There he comes. Yeah. That's a better ride. A couple of cheap thrills coming down there. Here he comes. Oh man. He doesn't get bucked off at all. He needs more weight. Here comes the green man. Oh! Alright. We got another one coming. Giddy up, go, green weenie. So, this is a walkway where they all walk up. He runs up. Everybody else walks. He runs up.
Sorry.
Right. No, you're okay.
Well, that works. I guess.
Okay. Sit back down here.
Nice job.
Here he comes. Crash! Dumb kid, get out of the way. Get a little tired?
No, I just don't want that out.
Oh, you're getting hot, huh? Having fun?
Yeah.
Look like it.